Hello, wonderful traders. Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas trading room on the Discord platform. If you're not there yet, you're missing a lot. So I sincerely invite everybody. I need more people. I need more active people over there because I have a lot of people, but not a lot of people are active. So please join. It's free. I mean, sure, and you can learn a lot about trading there. You can ask me questions, and we can discuss things. I mean, it's a Discord server. Sure. So let's look at the daily recap for today. What happened on the DAX 30 market? Basically, the market was unusually calm. Today's daily range is only 188 pips, so it's like in the olden days, well, before the crisis, let's say. Nevertheless, we can see that clearly here by the proportion of the Dada's universes, right, in which the price operates. So we can see clearly that the scale has changed, and we can see that there might be, a requirement to maybe the need to change the scales. But we'll see about that next week. Today is Friday, so almost the end of the market. You can see that the market was going a little bit down, and then on the opening of the Frankfurt and London sessions, there was practically a strong consolidation. The market wasn't decided which way to go, and basically, I made a trade right there. I made a trade. The first trade was made from okay, let's do it like this. Let's zoom it in a bit. It was actually done right here from the Dada's trading ruler manager. So I basically, I think I clicked here, or nope. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I clicked right there because that's where the take profit turns out to be. And of course, the expert calculated the lot, calculated one lot, and the price was going down. I went in long right here. It was a little bit risky, but basically there was a support right there, and there was this signal going up, and it was the opening of the London session. So basically what happened right here is that I simply the market moved back up. It was already higher, and I moved my trailing stop to some profit. Basically, you see about 7 pips, or 6.9 pips I got, but I think I moved it to 7 pips. And the market came back and took out my trailing stop, which is pretty typical in my trading. Nevertheless, the market did reach the take profit point, right, on the next candle at one moment. Okay. So that was the first trade. Now the second thing is that I am pretty busy right now working on one expert advisor. Not for myself, somebody ordered it from me. So basically, when coding a good expert advisor, well, it's not so much the code itself that takes time, but all the debugging and correcting and checking on the tester if everything is correct, everything is working the way it's supposed to, or the way that we have, according to the algorithm that we have assigned, let's say. And that takes quite a lot of time, because we have to look through a pretty big portion of history, and yeah, and it's not like I triggered it and it just runs on its own and then I look. No, I have to look and see. And if I find a case where something is working not in the right way, I have to fix it, right? So yeah, and that takes time, unfortunately. That's the whole idea. First of all, it's to program something that is supposed to work on the charts. You don't just need to be a programmer. You also have to have a lot of knowledge about how the platform works, how the execution works, and everything. So there's a lot of things to know in order to be able to create such an expert advisor that is going to work. I'm not saying that it's going to be profitable. I mean, I'm not actually interested in whether or not your expert advisor that I'm going to code is going to be profitable or not. I don't know that, and nobody knows that, if it's going to be profitable or not. I can only assure that I'm going to do my best to write it, to code it in such a way that your algorithm or your ideas are going to be executed properly. Now the rest is not up to me. I'm sorry. If I were able to program an expert advisor that would actually bring profits, then I would just be sitting back on some beautiful island, cool, nice water, and just checking my account from time to time. Well, that doesn't work like that. I'm sorry. I mean, if somebody wants to have an expert advisor, then one has to also manage this expert advisor properly, because otherwise it just won't bring profit, or it will work in the typical way that there will be times when it loses, and there will be time when it's making profit. Well, that's the way all typical expert advisors work. Okay, so yeah, I made a second trade here and a third trade here. Both of those trades, as you see, were taken from the DSWS, so that's a different so it's right here. So the first one was like this. Nope, not like this, like this. Let's see, or rather like this, perhaps. Yeah, it was taken like this. The idea was to go over there. However, basically, I would have to be. Normally, I would be trailed with my trailing stop to this line on the DSWS, but I was distracted here with something else, and when I checked the chart, the price was moving back right there. So I had missed this whole 5-minute candle, and the price was moving back. So I decided to get out at any profit, just to to be on the safe side, because I didn't have time to sit and watch carefully what's going on. And we see that the price moved back. So again, and then later it moved quickly up. And there was an opportunity, of course, if somebody wanted to take it, there was an opportunity from this candle. It was a pretty good opportunity, and it was, again, that the R4 take profit is right here, and even R5 take profit. Anyways, I saw a situation later on. I saw a situation right there. Now I saw all those red candles. And I started clicking. I clicked here. Said nope, that's not good. I think I clicked here. Yeah, I clicked here. I said, okay, let's try this one. Right, like this. And yeah, and I got in. Nah, it clicked on the wrong candle. Yeah, right here. So I got in right there, and got out right there. My trailing stop was trailed to this level right here, and I got out manually Also because I didn't have time to wait and watch. I just waited for this 5-minute candle to close, and I got out of it. And I had to, do my other things. Basically a lot of programming and watching the tester. And looking at if everything behaves the way it's supposed to. Okay, so that was those are my 3 trades for today. Somebody could say, yeah, there was an opportunity right there. Yeah. Of course, there was one, a pretty nice one. Even if we did something like that, and the R4 here was reached, and that's it. So basically, that's it for today, and that's it for the week. So tomorrow I will be making the weekly recap. So that will be a long video probably, and that video is of course only available to my VIPs. And how can you become a VIP? You can become a VIP simply by becoming my patron on patreon.com/Dadas Trading System Workshop. And that's all the links are below in the description. So if you join my Patreon and become my patron for as little as $17 per month, just $17, $17 per month, you will be granted the role, the VIP role on my Discord server, and you'll be granted access to special VIP channels. And there you'll find, amongst others, you'll find the weekly recap videos. On Sunday, I will be doing the Sunday with the Dadas Trading System. That's my new series that I started last Sunday, and that one is available to everyone. Yeah, at least for now. Okay, so it's just as easy as that, and you get many more benefits from becoming a VIP, because you can, if you are my patron for some time, of course, you'll be able to get a lot of other gratitudes and and bonuses, and also every monthly payment is being accumulated, like summed up. And if you accumulate enough money for 3 hours of my Dadas Trading System Workshop, you'll be able to get one of those simplified systems. And if you so either the simplified Dadas Trade Ruler Manager system or the Dadas Secret Weapon Strategy system. Exactly those systems that I'm showing you today. This one is the Dadas Secret Weapon Strategy 2020, right? With this Dadas Trading System, Dadas Secret Weapon, right? Strategy indicator, and the Dadas Trade Ruler Manager is this one. With this, this is the Dadas Trade Ruler Manager, and here we have a different indicator. A little bit different trade ruler. It's called a trade ruler. Practically based on the same idea, only a little bit optimized in a different way. Okay. That's it for today. Also, I would like you to, like my YouTube channel, subscribe there, because I don't know why, but for many years I've been trying to get subscribers, and it's like I can't get over 170 something subscribers. Well, where other channels that are, that are actually not showing anything valuable are having thousands and even millions of subscribers. So I don't know what's happening. Okay, anyways, so have a nice weekend. Keep safe, keep others safe too. And let's hope those crazy times will be over soon, and we can go on with our normal lives. Because sitting at home and waiting for the coronavirus to kill us, it's not a solution. I don't think it's a solution. I mean, it's better to just live your life, right? Okay, so like I say, keep safe, keep clean, and see you next time. Bye.